Switch on my bitch, ice on my wrist. I just wanna be lit. I just wanna be lit.
So you want to create an introduction like I've just shown. Now how to do that is actually pretty simple, so let's just get straight into it. I've already got the marble on the as the base here already, and what you want to do is you just want to get some text, and because it's white, just change the text to a darker color or whatever you want. Okay, so now we have the text, and I just added in music because that's going to be in later. And then you just take it, copy it once. This part's a little tedious, so I'll speed it up. And so afterwards, what you want to do is you want to take whichever one was in the middle, just press V to view it. So this one looks like it's more in the middle than anything else. So you take it, cut it down however you want, open your effects tab, and search bad TV. Yeah, okay. That'll give you the shaky effect that is really the glitch, is what you want. Now, this doesn't really look like a glitch, so just because it's the only text there, let's just increase the size. Okay, now that doesn't really look like a glitch, so we're just going to take it and copy it over itself, and we're going to do it just a couple times. This is for colors, so all you gotta do, go to our text. It's already pre-highlighted everything, so a nice bright something pink, orange, red kind of color. And now you can't see it, so what you want to do is just take it to the amount and just change the amount so it becomes different. Go on the same point in a different color, or a different layer rather, and play around with this. Whatever colors you feel that you want to use, just go for that. Now that's just absolutely insane. It's all having a seizure, so let's just reduce that. So all I've done is basically synced it all up with when the song starts, and then when the bass drops, everything else goes away and it goes into the glitch effect. And you can just add whatever you want. If you want to make it so that the text is kind of flashing, all you gotta do is press B to open your blade and just cut away whatever you don't want to see. So all these small parts can just be deleted. And if you want it to stay longer, you can have it stay longer. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if this was helpful, and I'll see you guys later.
Switch on my bitch, ice on my wrist. I just wanna be lit. I just wanna be lit.